Throughout history, humans have looked to nature for inspiration. This practice, known as biomimicry, involves emulating the designs and processes found in the natural world to solve complex human problems. Today, we will explore some extraordinary innovations inspired by the ingenuity of nature and how these concepts are transforming our lives. Let us begin our journey under the sea with one of the masters of efficiency, the humpback whale. Engineers have drawn inspiration from the whale's bumpy fins to develop more efficient wind turbines. Unlike smooth blades, turbines modeled after the whale's flippers have scalloped edges, enhancing their ability to capture wind more effectively. This unique design reduces drag and increases energy efficiency by up to 20%, demonstrating the power of nature-inspired technology in renewable energy. Next, we ascend into the sky to the world of aviation, where biomimicry has made significant strides. The kingfisher bird, renowned for its skillful diving abilities, has influenced the design of the Shinkansen bullet train in Japan. By mimicking the bird's streamlined beak, engineers reduced noise levels and increased speed when trains emerge from tunnels. This avian-inspired design not only comforts passengers, but also enhances the performance of high-speed rail, illustrating how the animal kingdom can guide engineering feats. Let's turn our eyes to the forest, where the humble gecko has lent its incredible grip to technology. The gecko's feet use millions of microscopic hairs to adhere to surfaces, a phenomenon that inspired the development of advanced adhesives. These biomimetic adhesives have various applications, from medical uses, like bandages, that stick without irritating skin, to creating gloves that allow humans to climb walls like our sticky-footed friends. This is biomimicry at its most practical, offering innovative solutions through the replication of natural mechanisms. In the realm of architecture, the Eastgate Center in Harare, Zimbabwe, showcases how termite mounds inspire engineering marvels. Termite mounds maintain a constant internal temperature despite external temperature fluctuations, thanks to their intricate structure. This principle was applied to the design of the Eastgate Center's ventilation system, vastly reducing energy usage by cooling the building naturally. Here, biomimicry not only enhances sustainability, but also showcases how intelligent design can be harmonized with nature's wisdom. Finally, we delve into the field of medicine, where the shark has made a splash. Sharks' skin, covered in tiny, tooth-like structures called denticles, prevents bacteria from settling on their surface. This feature has inspired antibacterial surfaces in hospitals and public facilities, reducing infection rates and promoting healthier environments. These surfaces mimic the shark's natural armor, offering an innovative approach to hygiene and public health. In conclusion, biomimicry serves as a bridge connecting human innovation with nature's boundless creativity. By observing and imitating the natural world, we can develop solutions that are not only effective, but also sustainable and harmonious with our environment. As we continue to face global challenges, the potential of biomimicry offers a reminder. Nature, with its 3.8 billion years of research and development, often holds the keys to our most pressing problems. Through biomimicry, we draw closer to a future where technology and nature thrive in tandem, creating a world that is not only advanced, but also enduring.